Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hub. In today's work example, we'll be representing the line that we are given, this line, x, y is equal to 3, 1 plus t multiplied by minus 2, 3 in Cartesian form. So we'll be converting this equation that we are given in the vector form into the Cartesian form. So the very first step that we need to do is we'll write the equation in the terms of their parameters. And so x would be equal to 3 minus 2t and y would be equal to 1 plus 3t. So now we have two different equations in terms of xt and y and t. And now what we'll do is we will use either of the equations and we will try to find t in terms of the other variable. So let's pick this equation, and rearranging the equation we would get 2t is equals to 3 minus x, and we would get t to be equal to 3 minus x over 2. Now we'll substitute this t that we have into this equation to get y is equals to 1 plus 3 times 3 minus x over 2. And expanding it, we would get y is equals to 1 plus 9 by 2 minus 3 by 2x. And rearranging it and simplifying it, we will write it as minus 3 by 2x plus 11 by 2. And this is basically the equation in the Cartesian form. We can also, if we would have chosen this equation to find t, we would have gotten the same answer, and we can even test that. So if we would have used this equation to find t, we would have gotten t to be equal to y minus 1 over 3. And if we would have substituted this back into this equation number 1, we would have gotten x to be equal to 3 minus 2 times y minus 1 over 3. And because we want to express x in terms of y, we will be rearranging it, and we would get y to be equal to 3 minus x over 2 times 3 plus 1. And simplifying it, we would get minus 3 by 2x plus 9 by 2 plus 1. And so y would be equal to minus 3 by 2x plus 11 over 2, which is essentially the same answer that we got earlier. So this is how we express the line in the Cartesian form. So that was all. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you all in the next lesson.